Butterflies.
I'm Yari Osuna.
I'm Renee Kale.
And I'm Corena Clemente. Hi guys, today I'm doing my limiting reactant problem, and mine is if 1 gram of magnesium hydroxide reacts with 0.605 grams of sulfuric acid, what is the mass of magnesium sulfate produced? So first, we want to make sure that our equation is balanced, and here we have 1 magnesium, 2 oxygens, and 2 hydrogens, and here on this side we have 1 magnesium and 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. And here we have 2 hydrogens and 1 sulfate. And here we have 1 sulfate. So right away we can see that we only have 1 oxygen on this side and we have 2 on here, so we want to put the 2 in front of the H, which gives us 2 oxygens, but it changes us to 4 hydrogens, which is okay because we have 4 hydrogens on this side and 4 on this side now. So our equation is now balanced. So I'm going to erase this. And the first thing you want to do is write, so basically your given for magnesium hydroxide is 1.00 grams. And you want to write magnesium hydroxide 2 times 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide over, let's see here, and you want to do your mass. So your total mass for your molar mass for magnesium hydroxide is, let's see, that is 58.02. So you would put, see, grams of magnesium hydroxide times. So what you want to do is make sure you put the same formula you have up here, you want to put it down here. So you would do 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide. And then on the top equation, you want to do your 1 mole of magnesium sulfate, because that's what we're trying to get on our equation. So you would do 1 mole of magnesium sulfate times, then you would get the molar mass of magnesium sulfate, which is 120.38 magnesium sulfate. And then same thing, you want to make sure these cancel out. So what you would do is you would put 1 mole of magnesium sulfate. So here, these equations cancel out, and then these equations cancel out. So all you have to do is multiply your top and then divide by the bottom. So let's do that. Times 1.00 times 120.38 grams, divide by 58.02 is 2.07. Sorry, I kind of ran out of space here. 2.07. And that would be grams of magnesium sulfate. Okay, so that is our answer for the first equation. Now for the second one, you will do almost the same thing, but it's 0.605 grams. And that's of sulfuric acid, so it's H2SO4 times. Now you would do one mole of hydrogen sulfate. SO4 over the total molar mass of H2SO4, which is 98.02 grams of H2SO4. And then same thing with this equation, you want to make sure that you write on the bottom here, you write that top equation that's for the 1 mole of H2SO4 so you can cancel them out. So it would be 1 mole of H2SO4. And then you'll do 1 mole of magnesium sulfate on the top, because that's the equation, that's what we're trying to get. So 1 mole of magnesium sulfate times, then you would do again the total mass of magnesium sulfate, which is 120.38 milligrams sulfate. And then same thing with the bottom equation here. You want to make sure you write the same thing you have on top here so you can cancel them out. So it's 1 mole of magnesium sulfate. So you go ahead and cancel out your equations. So these top and bottom cancel out. Same thing with these two. And then you're going to multiply your top and then divide by the bottom. So let's see what we get here. 0.605 times 120.88. Let's see here, so let's make sure we got the right numbers in there. Yep, divide by 98.02, which is 0.74. So that would be grams of magnesium sulfate. Okay, so your answer here would be the least, so your limited region, which is the least number. So your answer would be 0.74 grams of magnesium sulfate. And that'd be how much magnesium sulfate is produced. So thanks for watching my video. Hope that helped.